I have this LINNMON Tabletop, black, blue, and it's been a great desk, really. No real complaints. The only one that bothers me is these sort of scratches that have appeared, and they hardly feel like anything, you know what I mean? It's just the slightest nicks, I guess. Here, there, and I'm wondering how do I fix this? Anyone got a good suggestion? Or it feels like I'm just disappointed by the top here. It just doesn't seem very well laminated. That you can almost like it's just too easy to scratch. So I can't really recommend this. It looks nice, but it just scratches too easily.